Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate simple interest. Here we have a question. Find the interest on a 2-year loan of $5,000 at a 6% rate. The formula to solve for simple interest is equals to P times R times T. So simple interest is basically the interest earned when a loan or investment is paid in lump sum. The I here in your equation represents that simple interest. The P in your equation refers to the principal. This is the amount that was borrowed. The R stands for rate. This is the percent of the principal paid as interest per period. And T stands for time. Now the rate and the time should be expressed in the same unit. For instance, if interest is calculated yearly, then rate should also be expressed yearly. So let's use this formula to solve for simple interest. So here your principal is 5,000 multiplied by rate, which is 6%. So 6%, in order to get rid of the percent sign, you divide by 100, so 0.06 multiplied by time. Here it is 2. So in your calculator, you should get 600. So here the interest on a $5,000 loan is equals to 600. Again, the formula to find interest is P times R times T.